Coverage of CES is sponsored by us. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe for more coverage on CES 2026.
This could also be used for women.
Look at the new razor. Ooh, this is nice and light. Perfect for the scope. Like the colors?
Yeah.
This color here.
What?
This color. And this one.
Okay. Are you guys getting samples?
And you push a button. Look at that. Ooh, I like that one. And then you got clips here for beard trimming. Feel it.
Alright, okay. Come to Laifen.
Feel it.
I'm coming there. Bye.
And then if you have a smaller one, look at these. Oh, it's heavy duty, but you can see the motors in here. Has this open display. Power on. Oh, there it is. Oh, this is small, fits in your palm of your hand. Look how small it is. Real petite. I like the actual item itself. So if you guys are gonna look for a shaver for traveling, this is a perfect one. Small, petite. I don't know which one's better, that one or this one, huh? This one has a stocking. But look at these. For shaving your head, perfect. Oh, I like the inside of this one. These are perfect. So, this could also be used for women. So, and they have different